You've been up all night or I've been up all night? Who are we talking about? I was up late trading it. I just finished trading it. It was the biggest career crypto shred I've ever had. I started at 500 yesterday. My mechanical keyboard. Nice, Topher. Did you shred it? Was it also your gnarliest crypto shred? Man, look at this mic. I gotta get a better mic here. Cheers to the crypto shred. Indeed, indeed. That's good that we had some other shredders. You get any sick entries? Where'd you get your initial entry? What did I shred last night? We shredded this, BCH USD. We traded it from 500 to 730, 725. And then I got it again at 660 last night. On this break here last night. And then sold some more at 825, 815. And then we bought more at 820 here. And sold some more at 945. And now it's pulling back. So it was an amazing shred. And the weirdest thing about, of course you do, Matthew. This was massive. If you had a lot, I should have taken more risk, but it was an amazing trade. You won't ever make it. This will be like talked about for a while. You won't ever be able to make a stock trade with that much gain. I got so much MCT oils. We might have a special guest. We might have a special guest come by here for a little bit. Oh, you're still in? Nice. I was gonna leave some lottos, but I'll just wait for it to set up again. I'm not too worried about it. I just gotta tweet out the link again, guys. Morning. That drop was insane. Yeah, you know what? I should have shorted it, but it's probably not a good idea. It's too powerful. But I mean, you knew that 1,000 was going to be resistance on it, right? But did you really? Because it could have popped through and then absolutely slayed us too, right? So this is a little more informal than the normal shred list where we really get down to business. So what's going on today? Anybody doing anything for the weekend? I gotta go do jiu-jitsu at 11. Do some no-gi. But then I'm probably just gonna chill the rest of the day. I'm tired from shredding this crypto. But it was amazing. And it's a nice sunny day out here today. So we will be able to maybe go outside for a bit and chill. You're on your way to work, bro. We got cryptos to shred. What are you saying? What are you saying, dog? You guys want to look at some? Let's look at some other coins here too and see what happened. Because a lot of other stuff is actually down. And it must be that the money goes into the one coin. Shredbitor? I don't know what about a master Shredbitor. Yo, Bitcoin kind of looks good. Looks decent here. Master Shredbitor. No, Matthew, you are the master shreddator. So you got a flag coming in on Bitcoin, huh? On the hourly, it's pumping. Yeah, Ruben, that's what I'm waiting for as the next move. I want to see it go over 1,000. But I think it's going to need a break for a day. $500 in one day. Pretty gnar shred, right? So you have to respect it. That's okay. We still trust you as number one. So no worries, bro. We still trust you, number one. Number one. A good link to set up Coinigy doesn't, like, how do you want to set it up? Go to bullsoncryptostreet.com. Here, I'll get you a link. I'll find you a good video here. I'll find you one here. How to set up coin. There's one here somewhere on Bulls on Wall Street. You can look at that. There's one somewhere here. What are you doing? Topher Columbus. Don't be getting wild like that, man. Should we long this bounce? I'm not gonna do anything anymore. I'm done. But I bet you 800 it'll bounce. And then maybe just chill. We'll see. But this is, yeah, so anybody doing anything this weekend? Nobody answered. You guys are obsessed with the crypto. Like, we can just watch and have a nice, friendly conversation. You know what I mean? We're supposed to possibly have a guest. I don't know if he'll come. No? You guys are just cryptoing all day? Going on tilt? Okay. That's kind of gnarly. Oh, golf tomorrow. Right on. So Bitcoin looking pretty. I went to the school of shredders, bro. School of Gnar Shreds. Located a little bit west of Toronto. I'm not going to disclose that fully. But the crypto shredder is educated, I'll tell you that. He has formal degrees and crypto degrees. Why? Are you going to school in Toronto? Yeah, I only trade against the USD ones. Then it's just like a stock. I don't want it to be based on a coin, like of another coin within a coin. That's kind of weird. Okay, so Ethereum too is acting exactly like Bitcoin this morning, which is nice. Oh, true that. There you got Bitcoin, 1 hour chart. And that's Ethereum 1 hour chart. So they both look the same. And they're both popping out pretty hard. Which is pretty sick. So you can watch these for a push. What do we say? 8 bounce? Yeah. So far, not bad. Nice bounce off the 8. I'm a little mentally exhausted. And this thing is... there is the special guest. He has arrived. Cheers. We have the special guest. Cheers to the crypto god. He has blessed us on this fine morning as we shred ETH, BACH like men of honor. So we got one guy, Mr. Matthew, going golfing. But no one else told us what they're doing. These guys just shred cryptos like non-stop 24 hours a day. It's ridiculous. The Dash coin. Holy, Dash coin up too. HODL. HODL. Yo, we gotta get a coffee mug that says HODL. HODL on it. That would be pretty sick. That would be pretty awesome. Hold on. HODL. Alright, HODL up, guys. HODL up. HODL up, guys. HODL up. Crypto jabs. We've created so many crypto jabs. It's fantastic. It's absolutely incredible, people. Look how stupid that is. That's when you tell. That's when you can tell that you've been up too late. Let's pull up the Neo life, shall we? On the old BitREX. Kanal, you ever? I don't know Putin. I don't even know Putin. Do you trade it against USD, Kanal, when you do the Neo? When you do the Neo shred? No stamina. Let's look at Neo. Neo. USDT. Yeah, you've like transcended even American currency as a pair. It's like you've transcended into USDT now on a whole new level. Regular money doesn't have any stamina. But if you use USDT, it's going to create jobs. It's going to be fantastic. Crypto jobs. I don't know Putin. I don't know him. Okay. LFB. How hard are you hodling, bro? Hodl. I'm hodl. Look at how stupid this wedge that I drew is. It's just cooling, man. This is a pretty nice pattern shaping up here, bro. I wouldn't be too crisped. Can we make that a new thing? I wouldn't be too crisped about it. Be too cheesed. Crisp life. HODL. HODL. So nobody will tell me what they're doing this weekend. It's like some massive secret for you guys. All you guys do is crypto. My God. Ooh, you're in the Neo shred. Ooh, look at that big volume spike that you got. It's gonna get to 1,000. All right, let's shred it. I can't do it at Bitfinex, unfortunately, though. They gotta add this so I can hodl here. Come on. Come on, man. It's absolutely ridiculous. Ooh, looks like maybe more downside. Watch if BCH after this insane run, if this breaks down under 8, it'll start to move sideways. It'll move sideways, which is slow because it's run out of a bit of its stamina. Okay, it's gonna need to push. It can't be just fainting at 1,000. Okay, we all saw you faint. You fainted at 1,000. Ooh, a starter, also known as a feeler. A feeler, just a feeler. So Neo is our next shred. I'm not sure if on the altcoin picks we got to the altcoin picks for real. Because we didn't say that Bitcoin Cash would have been one of them. What's going on with Music Coin? Well, they got a Montreal coin too here. Oh, that's so hodl. Bro, you're so hodl. Alright, let's get back to the other coins. What happened to our IOT? Oh. This might be trying to make another... So what we need to watch for too is, like, you want to see if it's possible that these coins, if money comes out of Bitcoin Cash, it'll get pumped back into the other ones. Unless that theory is 100% false, which is possible. Just a poke. Just a little, that is my son. That is my son. Just a feeler. I'm just taking a feeler. I just want to sample the curry. Bitrex. So look at this little bottom shred we got going on here. Bottom shred. So what does that tell us, guys? Higher lows on the hourly, higher lows. Okay, you can draw another little trend line right here. Higher lows. Okay, it's penetrating. It's penetrating back up towards 900. Look at this base. I'm tempted to take some long, but I can't. I've done it too much today. So hodl right now. See, Topher Columbus, you were all rattled and you said you were going on tilt, but if you just hold on, stay strong, then you're ready to rip. Then you're ready to rip. Look at this. You think it's gonna pop off this little shred here? Let's go check out the oh my god coin. You just made it. Oh, you acted like you were like getting murked. You know what I'm saying? You were doing fantastic. Bouncing off your Linos. Bouncing off a few little Linos. Hello, Luke. We don't need that good luck. We have the skills. We don't need luck because we got mad skills, bro. Ooh, the Neo does look hot. Pop this trend line. And then, woo! Show me what you're working with. We still can't. We're gonna see if by the end of when we turn this off, we can get anybody any other than Matthew to say what they're doing this weekend, because nobody will talk. They just want to talk about the cryptos. But it's Saturday morning. You guys gotta talk about what's going on in the world and your lifestyle of the shred life and what you're gonna do. You're undisciplined for a second hour and a drive. You can't always have that 100% mental shred life unless you get on the shred. Topher Columbus. Topher. Look at the Bitcoin here. Or this isn't Bitcoins. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? All the technicals looked good on this the push. You're working on yours, your voice too. What's the reason that you're working on it, Matthew? Is there a certain occupation that we should be applying for? Hitting the beach? Oh, surfing. I wish I could go surfing. I might go skateboarding today. Ooh, the Neo is hot. The Neo is hot. Maybe I should adjust this and do a shred like this. Let me play around with this here. Oh. A little Bed Bath & Beyond. No big deal. Oh. Okay. Now I got myself shredding in. Alright, that's a little bit better. A little bit better for your shredding. What? I went to Korea last year. I got to go again soon. So I might have to go to the crypto capital here and shred in there. Let them know what's good. That would be super level, man. So it's possible. It's possible that I go check out the crypto homeland. Supposedly in Korea and Japan, I think it's the biggest. Which is possible why you see a surge, because I said last night to the memory foam god Vikram, who didn't take any of these crypto shreds, I don't think, because he was too soft. I was saying to him last night, wait till Asia wakes up and there'll be a NAR shred probably, because I think that the Asian market woke up on Saturday or in the nighttime, right? And then they see this rip, maybe they get on. Just a thought. Who knows? I don't know if that's the actual reason behind it. So now you can see that this thing, it needs some time to breathe. It needs some time to relax, to figure out what it's saying, what it's doing. So watch for this sideways action, and then when this thing decides that it's time to go back above 1,000, we'll hit it again. But for now, that was an amazing shred. Litecoin. Ooh. Litecoin. Litecoin hasn't really done much. You know, in May it was looking hot. It was ripping. Went from 22 all the way to 46. That memory foam god is my son. He's fantastic person. Has incredible personality. That's why he's my son. You're not hodling. You're hodling in the wrong way, are you? Are you hodling in the wrong way? Like an inverse hodl. You're basically inverted hodling. Don't you think? Don't you think? Don't you think you're kinda hodling a little bit, man? Maybe you should ease up a bit. So for the people that don't know what we're talking about BCH, how it absolutely shredded in the last 3 days, 3 sessions basically. From 280 all the way to 800. They're 15 now, but it was close to 1,000. What a beast. Oh, you are hodling. Sorry, man. You are hodl life. You're so hodl life, man. 34 on Litecoin. That's a hodl. That's a hodl. That's a hodl. So our original entry, super easy on BCH USD. On this $500 on this 1 hour flag. Okay. Then I entered again at 661. So it was right around here last night at 11 p.m. Where was it? Here, it was here. So I entered here, it came back a bit and then popped. Then sold it in the morning at 720s, and then actually sold some at 815 as well, and then we entered again on the break of 820, so right around here. So then we entered again here, and now you can see actually, so look, if you look at the correlation here, is where we entered was the break, and now it's acting as resistance, so it's probably going to fall under. Now the prior entry, which was resistance, was broken through, and now it's become another level of resistance on the other side. So if it pops over, it could build and use it as support, or if it starts to fall under, it will chill and use this as resistance. But those were the basic shreds. Then the earlier shred you could have taken, which we missed out on, was here. And the ultimate shred to get the whole party rocking was over here at 290. So you had a couple bucks invested in this. You're a lord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, like 6 entries that are possible. So I wonder what's going to be the next shredder, guys. Litecoin, meh. Oh my god coin, meh. Neo, I think, is probably the one. Neo might have to be the one. Nuts. So now, like we said, this is resistance. It's gonna have to chill underneath for quite some time. It's not gonna be too fantastic. How about waves? Feeling wavy? Let's look at our EOS here. Man, this could be the bottom. Keep your eyes on EOS. Because if you look at BCH's daily, okay? Comes down and then shreds. now. Goes up, comes down, and then maybe can shred. So we'll have to watch this thing and see what it does. Let's look at waves. I assume you have to look at it on a bit rex. Core shred. It's so gnarly. It's the core shred. Waves. They don't have it against USDT. You guys like all these crazy ones, huh? That's gnar, man. Wings. Chart's not bad, but it's against Ethereum, which is not my favorite thing to do. What can you do, bro? You know what I'm saying? Matthew, Sunday through Thursday. You want to hodl me. Today is just a special one. Because actually we had scheduled it before, so we had like prearranged the crypto shred. Basically it was written by the gods. But today was just supposed to be a coffee chill, and it turned out that there was a huge crypto shred for us to talk about. So it was an amazing time. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm trying to do it as much as I can. If we get the support, if you guys like it, please retweet it and put on your Instagram or whatever that you enjoyed the stream, and that will help me keep it going. The more people we get, the more party we have, and that's what we want to do. So Matthew's going golfing, we got some people going to the beach, Kanal's going to Bed Bath and Beyond. I gotta go do jujitsu in a little bit. Then I'm probably gonna chill, maybe go outside. If you guys know what I'm saying. Whoa. Whoa, bro. What was that other coin? Steam? Steam, yeah. I was talking about this on the canal because it's the Steam coin. It's so steamy. It just gets so steamy. It's just so steam. Where's the Steam coin lifestyle? Steam! Steam coin. It's only against BTC. Why you guys keep doing this to me? Oh my god. We're gonna need the moderator to come into the chat. It's outrageous. Steam. I don't know. I don't like these sub penny zeros, 0.002. You guys gotta give me some hotties that are against the USD so normal humans can comprehend them. Wow, sure, Kevin McLeod. What lines did I draw? I drew lines here. This is the bottom. Pot coin. Is there a particular oh, BCH. I kind of did break it down, but I'll break it down again for you. Okay, so here it pops up and you can see some consolidation. So when this thing starts to chill, it's brewing. It's brewing. It's like a pot on a oven. It's just like it's about to boil. It's just steaming, 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 almost boiled. Steaming, 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 almost boiled. Steaming, 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 and then boom, the pot explodes and the water starts pouring everywhere. So now you can see the volume explode and things come in and you get your first move. So this is where you want to buy when the water starts to boil over. Then it starts to come up, tap, tap, come down, tap, shreds. Okay, steam, 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 water boils over, boom. So you can draw this line at the top, and you can see it with your eyes. You can start to see these, and they're called a flag or like a wedge consolidation. Bursts up here, tap, 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 steam, 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 shred, shred, boom, then breaks through. Comes up here, up, starts to go. You can see a little double top here, so it's brewing, 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 brewing. Boom. What do you mean by the day? You can do it by whatever you want. I look at 15-minute usually. And same thing here. So it came down, started to boil. You can draw your line, tap, 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 tap. Yeah, look at 15. This is a 15-minute chart. So you can see on the daily, it's the same thing here. So it tapped, 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 and when it started to explode, that's when you had to, you can take a long, put your risk under like 300, and just. So when you see a breakout, and that's why this break here had so much power, was because it was a break on the daily. So this was a daily break, and then it started to just tear it up from there. So that's basically how we did it. And we didn't actually catch this one or this one. I got in at 500, so I got in on this break. So this just shows you why there's multiple entries. Is I missed this one, but I caught this one. So if something starts running, you watch it for continuations. Continuations, okay, man? Man, there wasn't many people talking about this thing, like, for the fact of how hard it ripped. The winners truly went to the spoilers. Oh, how was Bed Bath & Beyond? Was it a good time? BCH will retest. Is that what you, the Lord, Topher Columbus, the Lord of cryptos? A up-and-coming crypto lord, possible crypto apprentice god. Do you think it's going to hit 900 today? I don't think it will. Hype's over now, man. That was way too much power, bro. The world is not ready for that shred. What is this music called? It's in the description. So hopefully this guy does not take down the hopefully the guy does not take down this video. But this is where the music is here. It's this guy, royalty-free hip-hop beat, fcmuzik, and it's in the description. Okay? Please check him out, go follow his page. I have to give the person credit so they don't take my videos down. So hopefully that he is happy if he ever sees this and tries to take it down. But he told me no royalties on the page. It said no royalties. But yeah, it's pretty sick. It's pretty sick, bro. It's pretty sick, bro. It's pretty sick, bro. How do I measure your support and resistance line? I don't know what you mean by how do you measure it. I don't understand. Like how long it is? You just look at yourself in the mirror and you know if you're long. You know if it's long. Like you don't have to measure it. A real man of honor, you just look in the mirror and you're like, oh yeah. MCT oils. Oh, we got some earnings coming in. Oh, Cree and Cotty. Where's the Star Wars book? Man. Cree and Cotty. They have earnings on Tuesday after the close. Ugh. Momo. Monday. What else we got? Bow. Kirkland, Cotty, Lazy Boy. Lazy Boy actually trades half decent. Chair Life. Thursday, Dollar Tree. Watch that. I'm gonna retweet this. I'm gonna share it with everyone. It's hodl. How do you think this thing's gonna go back to 900 today? You crazy? Are you crazy? I don't know, Luke. I'm not in the US, sorry. Griff. It is Tweet Deck. Bum, bum, bum. Foot Locker and American Apparel this past week. Sick, sick. Were they sick? I don't like the retail ones, really. Like, even Lazy Boy, I try and stay away. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really feeling that, man. Oh, dude, we should have shorted at 900. That would have been sick. But we can't say that in hindsight because it's still... it could have ripped our faces off. See if it bounces off support here at 675. What's it at? 675. Here we go. You're gonna get to see. You're gonna get to see it tap live. Means to bet on the stock going down, Kevin. You can Google it. And it will be explained far better than me explaining it. But that means making money when it goes down. See if you get a bounce here. It should bounce. If it's following my rules, it's gonna bounce. Okay. I'll decide after if I like the bounce or not. Man, I'm tired. We've been up very late. Crypto trading. 780. There's the bounce right on the line. There's the bounce. If you look on Investopedia, Kevin, that is the best, probably the best way for you to see. We're gonna see who comes in since we said the stream would start at 9:30. But we wanted to start a little bit early because we were having a crypto party with this crazy shred in BCH. So let's see if anybody else shows up. Otherwise, we'll probably wrap it up a little bit soon and get back to you guys tomorrow night. But again, thanks for coming. We really appreciate it. And it was good to spend a little morning with you guys, chat, have a coffee. Except no one would tell us where they were going on the weekend. So we'll work on that. See if anybody wants to be a little less protective. Ooh, look at that bounce. What do we say? 380. Like a boss. Hodl. Hodl. Look at that. Easy bounce on resistance. That's why you have to constantly look at these lines. I have people bring me paper. They've written the lines on them. You know what I mean? Okay. I don't know Hodl. It's not a friend of mine. Okay. These people are fantastic and they're hodling. They're hodling together. From now on, it's gonna be hodling first. Look at that bounce. Can you guys see this technical analysis that we're doing? Bed Bath on, baby. New sheets for the missus. New sheets. Who's getting the... Oh, if it isn't the memory foam god. Memory foam god. Did you get a piece of any of this action? It's not going to 900. It's not going to chill at 900 today. But I won't take a bet on it. So it shows you how confident I really am. Sorry guys, a little bit of lag there. A little bit of lag. Dude, we've already been on for 49 minutes. So we're going to hang around a little longer because we told people 9:30, but we bumped it up because I got ADD. I couldn't wait. There was too much action going on in the cryptos. We had to tell the world. We had to share ourselves with the world. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible that it's based on Korea. Maybe we should watch Korean time with the utmost. Look at that bounce, you guys. 775 to 824 in that range. Perfect little ripski. Easy work. Charting works. It's charting first. Look at that bounce. I didn't take any of it though. I have to control myself. I'm done. I'm waiting till the next move will be if it's gonna go over 1,000. But that was a nice little scalpy shred. If you wanted to take it. Now it should bounce around. So you're probably gonna see it bing, 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 and then either come out or it's gonna bing, 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 and come down. So let's extend this and extend this. And then we can do a line here. And there we go. Now we have our next prediction and areas to watch. So they say know your levels. Alright, hello. So that is a very nice bing, 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 rip, bing, bing, bing. Let's see what it does in this area. I shouldn't have started the stream so early because now we've been shredding for a while and it's supposed to just start like now. Oh, you want to? It's like we're a live cam. You're like, draw the trend line, baby. Okay, you want to see the trend line? It's roughly like that. It's a little bit hard to get on this angle, but it's like kind of like that. Like around there. So if you look, let's put it here. So now you want to watch. Let me clean. Like I'm gonna make this so nice for you. Look how zesty this is gonna be. Oh baby. You like that? Did that make you want to go to Bed Bath & Beyond? Were you feeling that, Steez? So now we wait for it to hold the overall trend line up, and these are the levels that it bounces around in. Pretty sick, huh? Pretty sick. Look at that. Was that $100? 100. Man, this thing is crazy. $100 bounce that we just watched there. We should have taken that. Pretty much $100. Wow. Crazy, man. Like, I couldn't even take that because I didn't predict that that would have that much power of a bounce. $100 bounce. What a wild thing this is. This crypto in general and the BCH. It's just insanity. It's absolute insanity. They're ripping cryptos out of people's wallets daily. There's women. They're taking cryptos out of people's wallets. No one knows what to do. It's pandemonium. Oh. Well, you were kind of right, I guess, Topher. Like, it did almost get back to 900 for you to get out. Which is just insanity. Oh my god. Now I kind of feel bad that I didn't get in there. Should we short this? No, I'm just talking shit. I'm just talking trash here. It's got a long way to move, but it will definitely have another move in the next day or two, and we'll see what it is. That was pretty wild, though. Crazy stuff. So we got one guy going to the beach. We got one person golfing. It looks like it's going to rain here. It was sunny, but it looks like it's going to rain. And we're going to do jiu-jitsu and then maybe take a little nap. Come back for the crypto. You think so? I don't know if I can stay and keep doing this. We're going to have to crypto for like, I've been cryptoing over 24 hours pretty much straight now. But we'll see. Let's not get so crazy excited here, okay? We gotta be smart. I've already longed this thing like 15 times. I'm not sure it's gonna have the steam. But that was insane. $100 bounce. Insane. Have you guys ever seen a bounce like that? I don't think I've ever seen. I gotta do a little tweet here. I've never seen a $100 bounce like that. It was nuts. You're watching the 1 minute on this? Look at the 1 minute, it's pretty orderly too. I never watched the 1 minute on it, but it's not bad. Intraday gaps like freaking $10. Sick. Ugh. It doesn't have the stamina. See, it needs a breath. It really does need a breath. You know, it's gonna be good for you. You're gonna take some time off, clear your head. It's gonna be good for you. Litecoin, Neo. Nothing much else going on in the crypto world. This is where all the cash is at, is this sucker. What an animal. Anything else, guys? I'm probably going to wrap it up a little bit shortly. Unfortunately, I tweeted it out at 9:30, but the action got bumping so hard. We've been shredding for a good hour. Crazy stuff. Oh, good man, HODL. Make sure that you get extra stuff at Bed Bath & Beyond, and make sure maybe later you can watch some episodes of How I Met Your Mother, and watch maybe My Big Fat Greek Wedding, and get some sheets at Bed Bath & Beyond, and just HODL on, bro. Anybody else got any questions, anything exciting to chat about? Let us know. Otherwise, we're going to wrap it up a little bit here. The replay will be on for the people that I started early for. I'm sorry. It was my B. It was my bad. But the action was hot. And when the action's hot, you got to get in there and shred, baby. You got to rip it up. But we did a good hour chilling. Yeah. Oh man, this thing's pushing. Let's get back to your 1 minute. Yeah, look, it is flagging here. Oh my god. We're gonna be here all day. Holy. Wait a little bit. I just want to see how this reacts to this price here, and then we're gonna wrap it up, I think. What's this about? What do you mean, Haru? We're doing some cryptocurrency trading live. If you watch some of the other videos, you can learn that when we're on the stream, we do some crypto trading, and we also look at the stock market, and we make watch lists and chat. So this is basically about cryptos and stocks, but today is all about cryptos. If you want to visit this Bulls on Wall Street page right here, okay, Bulls on Wall Street, you can get a lot of information about how to trade and cryptocurrencies. What's so funny? What's so funny? not quite sure, bro. Yeah, this thing's gonna ping pong around inside here. Gonna go ding 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 ding, and then start to shred. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. Sorry, man. Wasn't sure if you did or if you didn't know. I was just trying to help you. I just wanted to help you. Oh, see, Topher? Starting to slowly come down. Alright guys, we're going to wrap it up shortly here. Any other last questions? Haru, Yoshidome. We go live tomorrow at 10 p.m. Eastern. We go live Sunday to Thursday at 10 p.m. Eastern. This was just a special little Saturday morning shred here because we wanted to honor the party that is BCH USD. What a crazy shredder. And we had to pay our respects to the gods. Pretty sick, right? So we'll wrap it up. The replay will be on. Thanks again. I really do appreciate everybody that comes and takes their time out to hang out with us, and it makes it really fun, and I enjoy doing it. If you can retweet it and put it on your Instagram, whatever, it helps me a lot to keep her going for you guys. And Crypto Shredder at Twitter and Crypto Shredder on Instagram. That would be really cool. And again, thank you so much. Alright, have a good weekend, everybody. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. And the replay will be up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, 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 thank you.